Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing salmon from a reputable seller who stores fish at 32 degrees F, 0 degrees C or below. Request the harvest or delivery date and source. Inspect the fillet for firm flesh that springs back, bright natural color, and a clean ocean aroma without ammonia. Prefer a whole side or large fillet kept on ice, and buy within 24 hours of intended preparation. Wild or responsibly farmed salmon are acceptable. Never rely solely on the label sushi-grade without confirming handling and storage details. To reliably eliminate parasites like anisakis, freeze the salmon under validated conditions before serving raw. Either store at -20 degrees C, -4 degrees F, or below for 7 days, or blast freeze at -35 degrees C, -31 degrees F, or colder for 15 hours. Pack the fillet tightly in vacuum seal or heavy plastic wrap so the entire piece freezes solid and avoids freezer burn. Individual portions under 2 inches still require full time. Label with freeze date and method. These thaw frozen salmon slowly in the refrigerator about 24 hours. Never thaw at room temperature. Once thawed, keep it cold, remove pin bones with clean tweezers, then pat the surface dry with paper towels to improve texture and flavor. Use a very sharp, long knife and slice at a 45-degree angle into roughly 1/4-inch sashimi or nigiri portions, wiping the blade between cuts. Keep the slices chilled on ice, serve promptly, and consume within 48 hours for safety and peak quality.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.